7 stunning houseplants with striking black foliage. Hey my green friends! Today, we're diving into a world that's darker and more mysterious than ever. If you love unique houseplants and want to decorate your space with bold, dramatic colors, this video is made just for you. We're exploring 7 stunning houseplants with black or near black foliage that will add a touch of elegance and mystery to your home decor. One. Ficus Elastica Black. Ficus Elastica Black is a hardy plant with glossy, leathery leaves and very easy care requirements. This beautiful houseplant features dark, almost black leaves with a hint of deep red. Its sap is used in rubber production, which is why it's also known as the rubber plant. Ficus elastica grows large, attractive leaves and can reach a height of 1 to 3 meters, making it a striking statement piece in any indoor space. Two. Black Aeonium. Aeonium is an evergreen plant from the Crassulaceae family, also known by names like saucer plant, plate flower, purple sunburst, or green sunburst, depending on the variety. This succulent features thick, fleshy leaves that allow it to store water and withstand heat and drought with ease. The plant grows in a rose-like rosette shape, and its glossy, dark-colored foliage and unique leaf arrangement make it a favorite among succulent lovers. 3. Peperomia Caperata, Burgundy. Peperomia caperata, also known as wrinkled peperomia, is a luxurious miniature plant from the pepper family. It features short stems in shades of green, red, purple, and gray. The deep purple variety is so dark it appears almost black. This plant is easy to care for and produces delicate white, spiky inflorescence flowers that bloom from early spring to late autumn. With its puffy appearance and soft, textured leaves, Peperomia caperata adds a unique charm to any home or office space. Four. Black Echeveria. Black Echeveria is a stunning succulent known for its layered, rosette-shaped leaves. This eye-catching plant has leaves that can grow up to 8 centimeters tall and 3 centimeters wide. When it blooms, it produces red and pink flowers with dark yellow petals, adding even more beauty to its appearance. Caring for black Echeveria is not complicated, but to maintain its deep color, it needs plenty of sunlight. Five. Black Velvet Alocasia. Black Velvet Alocasia, also known as Alocasia reginula or jewel alocasia, is a miniature and elegant plant with heart-shaped leaves and striking white or silvery veins. It's considered one of the most stylish and popular houseplants. The leaves have a rough, velvety texture and their deep, dark appearance comes from absorbing almost all light frequencies, giving them a dramatic, near-black color. The leaves can grow up to 40 centimeters in length. To thrive, this plant needs bright, indirect sunlight and frequent watering to maintain its lush appearance. 6. Haworthia Nigra. Haworthia nigra is a striking member of the large Haworthia family. This slow-growing succulent reaches a maximum height of about 25 centimeters. It features dark, almost black leaves arranged in layered tiers, giving it a sculptural look. Its compact form and unique color make it a perfect choice for adding a touch of elegance to your desk, tabletop, or indoor space. Seven. Black ZZ plant. The black ZZ plant is a unique variety of the popular ZZ plant, known for its deep purple to almost black foliage. This plant has gained a lot of fans thanks to its glossy, fleshy leaves and striking appearance. It belongs to the group of low-maintenance, hardy houseplants, making it perfect for busy plant lovers. Unlike many houseplants, the black ZZ has a graceful, upright growth pattern. Interestingly, its new leaves start out green, gradually turning darker as the plant matures. Thanks for watching, plant lovers. If you enjoyed learning about these stunning black houseplants, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more plant inspiration. Let me know in the comments which one of these dark beauties you'd love to add to your home. And if you have any of these plants already, share your experience with us. Stay green, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.